Hello YouTube! We're going to install this twin stick shifter assembly from JB Custom Fabrication. So let's get started. This is what I ordered up. You get two twin stick shifter rods. They're stainless steel. I've powder coated mine gloss black so it matches the gear shift. You get 3 choices of boots, 3 choices of knobs. There's 4 big flat washers, 2 jam nuts for the knobs, 2 shifter interfaces and bolts to bolt the shifter interfaces onto the transmission. You got 1 big bolt that goes through the whole shoot and batch and bolts the thing together. And we're going to go step by step by their instructions. And the first step says remove all of the stock shifter and linkage. Make sure that all the moving parts are well lubricated with heavy grease. We have in fact removed all the stock shift rod, bushings, shifter interface, and pins. And now we're ready for step number 2, which is install the shift rod interface block on the passenger side shift rod with the peg pointing towards the driver's side. Insert 3/8 nut. Install and tighten 1/4 inch bolt. So here's the shift rod interface block, and we slide that onto the passenger side shift rod and slide the 1/4 inch bolt through and put a nut on the bottom side. And we tighten this up and we go to step number 3. Step 3, position the passenger side shifter on the peg. Install the bolt from the passenger side with 1 washer on each side of the shifter. This is the passenger side shifter, which is for the front 4-wheel drive. And they want us to take that shifter, a washer, the nut, put the bolt through the shifter, and put another washer on and mount that on the transfer case with this hole going through the peg. So we take some grease and put it on the peg and on the shifter, just like the instructions said. Then we've got 2 washers here. We'll put grease on one side. Slide our bolt through the washer, through the shifter, and take the excess grease there, put it on the washer, slide the washer on, put the shifter on the peg, and slide the bolt into the bracket on the Dana 300. Step 4, repeat steps 2 and 3 on the driver's side shifter. Step 2, going back, is to put the shifter interface block on the shift rod. Slide that 1/4 inch bolt down into the hole and put the nut on it. And we do have the peg facing towards the driver's side. We'll put some grease on the peg. The grease we put on the shifter will hold the washers in place. And we slide it onto the interface peg and slide the bolt through. And now the 2 shifters are in place. Step number 5, and the last step. Install the nut on the pivot bolt. Tighten as tight as possible. Back off the nut just far enough to allow the shift rods to move, but not loose. This is the pivot bolt, and this is the nut that they want in there, and it just barely fits. I mean, it just fits. Probably designed that way. These are 15/16. Okay, that's tight, and I probably can't, oh, that's actually pretty good. I like it. Let's go a little tighter. I like that. That's nice. Let's wipe some of this excess grease off. We don't need all that grease on the surface. It doesn't do us any good. Just collects dirt. And this shift's real positive and firm. I like it a lot. Let's put the jam nut on. So this is what it looks like. If you enjoyed this video, there will be more.